Welcome to our guide on human resources ethics. In this video, we will explore the professional standards and conduct expected of HR professionals. Whether you are new to HR or looking to refresh your knowledge, understanding ethics is critical for building a healthy workplace. So, what exactly is HR ethics? It refers to the moral principles and standards that guide decision-making in human resources. It is not just about following the law, it implies doing what is right, fair, and just. HR professionals must balance the organization's goals with the rights and well-being of employees, all while maintaining trust. There are three core pillars of HR ethics. First is integrity, acting with honesty and consistency. Second is confidentiality, protecting sensitive data. And third is fairness, treating everyone impartially. These three principles form the foundation of a credible HR department. Let us dig deeper into confidentiality. HR handles sensitive personal data, from salary details to medical records. It is your ethical duty to ensure this information is secure. Furthermore, discussions about disciplinary actions or grievances must remain private. A breach of confidentiality is one of the fastest ways to lose employee trust. A conflict of interest occurs when personal interests interfere with professional judgment. Examples include hiring a relative, dating a subordinate, or accepting expensive gifts from vendors. The ethical solution is always to disclose the conflict immediately and remove yourself from the decision-making process. Fairness starts with hiring. Ethical HR practices require removing bias from recruitment. This includes using blind screening techniques, asking standardized questions to every candidate, and writing inclusive job descriptions. The goal is to give everyone an equal opportunity based on their skills, not their background. When handling complaints, HR has an ethical obligation to investigate impartially. You must listen to the victim, investigate facts without taking sides, act consistently based on the findings, and document everything. Ignoring a complaint to avoid conflict is unethical and can be legally dangerous. A healthy ethical culture requires that employees feel safe speaking up. HR must ensure there are anonymous reporting channels and a zero-tolerance policy for retaliation against whistleblowers. If employees fear punishment for reporting bad behavior, ethics will crumble. Maintaining boundaries is tough but necessary. HR professionals cannot be best friends with everyone. You must stay in the professional zone, friendly but objective. Crossing into the buddy zone by gossiping or ignoring rules for friends compromises your ability to be fair and neutral. To wrap up, remember these key points. Ethics builds trust. Confidentiality is mandatory. Fairness requires eliminating bias. And finally, HR sets the tone for the entire company. If you lead with integrity, the organization will follow. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.